Hello, just wanted to make a short video about something I have recently found out about tab containers in Godot. So long story short, you don't have to use tab bar nodes for tabs actually. So for example, here in my game, I'm designing a menu and I have two tab containers. The one above has your regular tab bar nodes, but the one in the shop here, it's actually just item lists. And yeah, I found out that you can actually do that completely accidentally. I had regular tab bars here and something happened with the layout, so I decided to move item lists up in a tree where they are now, and suddenly the layout is fixed and I can see a new tab with this node name in it, very surprisingly. So, and what it allows me to do actually is here in the item list script, tab container script, I can get the current list control. Well, actually this function allows you to get any control that works as a tab in your tab container, and yeah, thanks to that it gets access to the currently selected item in a currently selected tab, and I can send this item metadata to the node that shows the info about it. I'm actually using this as a resource, but that's not a point. So yeah, this is very handy. I haven't been working in Godot for long, but it keeps surprising me. But that's it. May you live in peace and goodbye.